We are interrupting programming with breaking news right now involving Georgia's election interference case. Just moments ago, Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade resigned from the case. The news coming after Fulton County Judge Scott McAfee issued his ruling in the disqualification case, saying that either Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis or Nathan Wade would have to step down from the case. Investigator Zach Merchant has been following this case since day one. Zach, are you surprised at all following this announcement from the judge?
I think in a case like this, saying we're surprised, there's been so many twists and turns that this is the latest one. Legal experts we spoke with today suggested that they anticipated this decision given the language of Judge Scott McAfee's order earlier today. He effectively gave District Attorney Fani Willis two choices, and those two choices were, one, Nathan Wade can be removed from the case, and if he is removed, DA Willis and the rest of the prosecutors in the Fulton County District Attorney's Office can keep this case moving forward. The second option is if Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade stayed on the case, well then Judge McAfee said everybody in the District Attorney's Office, including Fani Willis, would be disqualified. And given that, legal experts said it seemed likely that Nathan Wade would step down. Now we know for sure. We have his official resignation letter here. He says, and I'm quoting, this is Nathan Wade saying, "I am offering my resignation in the interest of democracy, in dedication to the American public, and to move this case forward as quickly as possible."
And I was going to ask you about the speed with which we're receiving this information of him resigning from this position. But as you mentioned in his letter, he does mention moving this case forward as quickly as possible. And I think that's been on a lot of folks' minds watching this, whether or not the case will proceed and how quickly.
And it's still an open question, but and we have to keep in mind, there were more than 2 months spent just sorting through this disqualification controversy and getting to a point where we had the order this morning, and now we have the resignation of Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade right now, just in the last few minutes. But those 9 weeks, those 10 weeks that we've spent on this, they're still gone. And the question of now how quickly a trial may come, many folks wondering if it could still come before the November election. It's an open question. Legal experts we talked to today, many say it's still possible, but it will be a tall hurdle to clear.